We're getting closer and closer to having the house look presentable. Still a little bit rough, and there's still a few things we have to do, including replacing this garage door. So we've picked one out, and hopefully they will be here to install it tomorrow. Fingers crossed.
Welcome to Lorrie's world, where the garden grows tall.
And this is the inside of the door. And as you can see, some of the rust is coming all the way through. So the new door will also be replacing these brackets on the door and these railings, which also have a bunch of rust on them. So all of that will be replaced. Hopefully tomorrow. We're expecting him tomorrow. I'll keep you posted as to whether they come here on time or not. But yeah, our door is looking pretty ugly and like it's just wasting away. So time to replace it. The team from Bayer Doors showed up exactly when they said they were going to show up. They got right to work. And by the end of the day, our garage door was fabulous.
So Lorrie, Lorrie, in your world we roam. Seeds in the soil and a heart full of home. From survival swaps to family, laughs by the fire. At Lorrie's world, you lift us higher. Lorrie's world. Turning into treasures so fine. Elderberry gifts and a mini chainsaw wine. Scenic drives with blues playing soft.
So tell me, honey, what do you love most about the new garage door? Huh?
It's just a new garage door. It's light. How's that?
It's light?
Yeah. You can, he'll show you how you can open it. You can even lift it
Okay.
if the power goes out or something.
Oh, good. Well, that's a good feature.
Yeah. That's it.
And what about the way it looks?
It looks like a garage door. What do you want me to say?
It looks beautiful.
Oh my God. Not until your yellow green paint comes up.
Dave tells everybody I'm painting the house yellow and green, which I am. But here in Oregon, when you say yellow and green, people automatically think of the Oregon Ducks, which is like a bright, bright yellow and a, I don't know, the green grass color.
Yeah.
Sure, neither of the colors of which I'm using, but
Well, what is it? It's yellow and green.
it is yellow and green.
So,
You guys will see. That'll be coming up next.
yeah.
In the van, BFFs for 17 years, living the plans. Oh Lorrie, Lorrie, in your world we roam. Seeds in the soil and a heart full of home. From survival swaps to family, laughs by the fire. At Lorrie's world, you lift us high.